अगर इस टाइप का एमसीक्यू आपके पेपर में आता है और आप अभी भी कंफ्यूज होते हैं कि वेदर इट्स प्रोसीजर और मेथड, so I think this video is for you. Please watch it till the end. You will be able to identify the types of plans more confidently. तो ऑब्जेक्टिव के बारे में हमें 3 से 4 बातें याद रखनी है एंड वी विल बी सॉर्टेड. वन, ऑब्जेक्टिव इज अ गोल और एंड पॉइंट व्हिच इज डिफाइंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ नंबर्स. ऑब्जेक्टिव्स कौन सेट करता है? टॉप मैनेजमेंट सेट करती है फॉर द एंटायर कंपनी, एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आर ऑलवेज मेजरेबल इन द टर्म्स ऑफ क्वांटिटी. देन वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ऑब्जेक्टिव्स जो है हमारे एंड पॉइंट्स होते हैं. दे आर द गोल्स ऑफ द कंपनी व्हिच आर सेट ओनली फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम पीरियड. After that time period, the objectives do not stand valid. Okay, so next plan is policy. Policy is a general plan which basically guides the managerial action in the company and something that interprets the strategy. So strategy को interpret कौन करता है? एक policy interpret करती है. It basically guides the managerial action in the company कि एक manager को कैसे काम करना है. These are the broad parameters under which a manager functions, right? A policy can be a major policy which is for the outsiders. A policy can be for insiders, which is a minor policy. Let's say if there's a no smoking policy in the company, like the employees are not supposed to smoke inside the premises of the company, that is a minor policy, right? So policies are made for all the levels and all the departments in the company. That's what all about policy. अब ये प्रोसीजर क्या होता है? प्रोसीजर्स आर द रूटीन स्टेप्स दैट यू फॉलो व्हाइल implementing a policy. So in a company when any policy is being applied और implemented, तो आप प्रोसीजर को फॉलो करते हो. प्रोसीजर क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में स्टेप्स होते हैं, एक उसके बाद ये फिर ये. सो दिस इज हाउ अ प्रोसीजर इज. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर कुड बी अ पर्टिकुलर प्रोसीजर to implement the hiring policy of the company, right? So procedures are the routine steps, regular steps in the chronological order. They interpret the basically a policy. So policy और procedure आपस में interlinked है क्योंकि policy को implement कौन करता है? एक procedure implement करता है. That's all about procedure. Okay, now what is method? Method is a prescribed way of doing something, is the best way actually, is the chosen way. एक तरीका किसी काम को करने का जो सबसे अच्छा है, जो बताया गया है कंपनी में कि आपको ऐसे काम करना है. That is method, right? Method is something which can vary from task to task. किसी चीज को करने का तरीका कुछ होता है, किसी चीज को करने का तरीका कुछ और होता है, right? And one more point about method, selection of the best method saves time, money and energy in the company. And this was the answer of the MCQ that we saw in the starting of the video. I hope you get it now. Okay, now this is the one that we have heard the most in our day-to-day life, which is rules, right? So rules are what? Rules are specific statements जो आपको बताते हैं क्या कर सकते हैं, what you must do and what you must not do, right? So they allow certain things and they do not allow certain activities. That are rules. And rules can only be changed when there is a change in the policy. So आप देख रहे हैं policy और rules का भी एक आपस में there's a relation. If you change the policy in the company, the rules can be changed, right? Rules are very specific statements. And one more interesting point about rule is it is the simplest form of a plan. So if it asks in the paper, you know what is the simplest plan? Rule. Okay, so what are programs? Programs are the detailed statements that basically tells you about the objectives of something. Let's say you are applying to a college admission and you want to understand how their program is. So it includes are applying to a college admission and you want to understand how their program is. So it includes all the minutest details of that particular program, of that particular study or the course that you're going to do. So program is something which includes a gamut of activities. It contains minutest details and it also entails the other types of plans that are there in this chapter. Like for example, program includes objective, includes rules, includes procedures, includes methods, है ना? तो जैसे आपने सुना होगा कि मेथड ऑफ पेमेंट क्या रहेगा अगर आप कॉलेज एडमिशन में रहे करते हैं एडमिशन, तो वो प्रोग्राम के अंदर लिखा होगा, ठीक है? या आपका मेथड ऑफ टेकिंग क्लासेस क्या रहेगा, ऑनलाइन या ऑफलाइन, दैट इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ प्रोग्राम, राइट? So all these plans are part of program. So program is a very wider term as compared to other types of plans, right? Okay, so what is budget? Budget is a statement of the results that you are expecting for the company to be expressed in the numerical terms. अगर आप कंपनी की कुछ सेल्स एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं साल या प्रॉफिट्स एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं तो कितना कर रहे हैं न्यूमेरिकल टर्म्स is budget. That kind of a plan is budget. And budget is also known as a control device because it helps you to control your expenses or to manage your cash inflows and outflows in the company. It manages all the deviations in the company, helps you to correct the deviations in the company. So that's all about types of plans. I hope you're able to go back to that question and you're able to answer that question. The answer to that question was, by the way, method, as we discussed earlier. Thank you.